Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Naya Mentions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. So today I have with me soups, and I have never reviewed this on my channel, and these soups are from the brand Fast&Up. Fast&Up has recently launched their line of soups, and these are protein-rich soups. It is very important to consume a specific amount of protein in your daily diet so that your body can function properly. So these soups come in 3 variants, and this is the Fast&Up GoodEats Instant Protein Soup. This is the Fast&Up GoodEats Mushroom Soup. This is the Fast&Up GoodEats Mixed Veg Soup. And this is the Fast&Up GoodEats Lentil Soup. And this one packet retails for 65 rupees. These soups are packed with 10 times more protein. And they are very easy to make. They are like instant soups. These are like a healthy option when you want to snack on something unhealthy during the evening. We get those hunger pangs in the evening, so you can definitely consume a soup which will be way more healthy for your body, especially a soup like this which has protein. And the most important thing is the taste of these soups have been approved by the legendary Mr. Sanjeev Kapoor. He is like he is like a legend. Like, there won't be anyone who doesn't know him. Like, our mothers, they know him so well. We know him so well. Like, we all have been a fan of his cooking and his cooking shows, and the way he cooks, way he presents everything. Food looks tasty. And these soups, the taste of these soups have been approved by Mr. Sanjeev Kapoor. So what else can I say? They'll be extremely tasty, I'm sure. And each serving of this soup contains 50% instant plant-based protein and 10% of dietary fiber, which is 2 grams. And this also has essential superfoods like curcumin and tulsi to support a healthy immune system. This is vegan. This has no refined sugar, no palm oil, soya-free, gluten-free. This has no animal extracts, no artificial sweeteners, no artificial colors. You can have these soups for breakfast, lunch or dinner, or you can have it at any time of the day, like in a mid-morning snack or an evening snack. This will be a way more healthy option. This will keep you full in a healthy way. Okay, so which soup should I make today? So I'll show you how you have to make it. You have to empty the contents of the soup in a bowl and then add 150 ml of hot water and then mix it till there are no lumps and drink it. You can garnish it the way you want. You can even add coriander or pepper or anything you want. You can garnish it the way you want, but this is the main way how you have to make this. Okay, so I'll go with the lentil soup. I have never tried a lentil soup before in my life. Mixed veg and mushroom though I have many times, but lentil soup. So let's make this quickly. Come. Okay, so this is the soup which we'll be preparing. So I'll empty the contents of this soup in this bowl. Okay, so this is how the contents look like. So I'll empty this in over here. Okay. So now I have to add boiling water to it. Okay, so this is some nice hot boiling water, if you can see. So I'll just add this. Okay, so this is 150 ml of water. So yeah. So now I have to just mix it. Oh god, this smells so good. Okay, so this is how the soup looks like. You can see how creamy this looks, and I can also see some vegetables in this like carrots and all. So yeah, so let's just quickly taste this. So let's just quickly taste this yummy soup. You can see how creamy this looks. Ah, and this smells amazing. This tastes so good. Like, I have not garnished this with anything, pepper or coriander. I have not garnished this because I just wanted to show you how to make this. Like, you can even squeeze a lemon on it just to make it a little more tangy. But this is tasty without anything. This has the perfect amount of salt and the perfect amount of mild spices, and this tastes so good. The vegetables inside the soup are also very crunchy. You can hear that, right? This is so tasty. I'm like a big fan of this soup now. So let me just finish and I'll just get back to you. Alright, so this is an amazing snack. This is extremely tasty, and definitely you should give this a try. This is very healthy for you. This is a very healthy alternative than basic regular snacks which we have during evenings, like chips or anything else which is not healthy. This is a very healthy alternative, these soups, and this is extremely tasty, and it's so creamy. Like, it's hard to believe that this is an instant soup, because instant soups are not that tasty, I feel. But this one is mind blowing. I would definitely recommend you to buy this and try this, and I am 100% sure you're going to love this. I'm also feeling quite, like full. Like, I didn't feel like eating anything. Like, I'm not feeling hungry, so I'm feeling quite full. So this is very good, guys. I think you should definitely give this a shot. So yes, the two variants, mushroom and mixed veg, will also be very good, I'm sure. So you can try any one of these. Try this and let me know whether you liked it or not. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.